Today I'm doing a quick, easy dupe on the McDonald's Egg McMuffin. These are so easy for breakfast, you'll wonder why you haven't done this before. Hang on and I'll show you the ingredients. With just 5 simple ingredients, you can make a delicious breakfast sandwich. English muffins, cheese, Canadian bacon, egg, and butter. In place of the Canadian bacon, you can also use bacon or breakfast sausage. You could leave it out altogether, and you can switch out the kind of cheese, whatever you like for cheese. So to get started, I'm going to turn my burner on medium-high. I'm going to melt a little butter in there. I'm going to toast the English muffins. You could also do this in a toaster. Okay, so that was just a start to give them a little brownness. We'll put them back in to cook when we do the eggs. Okay, now I'm going to turn the heat way down to low. I'm going to do 3 pieces of Canadian bacon for each sandwich. Canadian bacon is a really good low-calorie option for breakfast. Okay, I'm going to stack 3 of those on each English muffin. Okay, I'll throw in a little more butter to cook the egg. I like my egg cooked fried with the egg yolk broken, and where there's not much runny yolk left. Now, if you like yours with a runny yolk, you can certainly cook it a little less. At this point, I'm going to season them with a little salt and pepper. Okay, I've got Swiss cheese on one, and you could put it on flat like that, or you could fold it up and make it a little so it's not running over the side as much. I think the egg is mostly cooked now. I'm going to flip it over on the cheese side just to give that cheese a little melt. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. All right. I have a Swiss and a cheddar. You can put that in and warm it up just a little bit more. It actually doesn't need it right now, but I will do that. Okay, I'm going to do a taste test on the Egg McMuffin with the Swiss cheese, and we'll see how this is. That's absolutely delicious. A very quick breakfast. You could also let these cool off, wrap them up, freeze them. You can pull them out on any day of the week, pop them in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes, and you have a very quick and easy breakfast. I hope you make this. I'm really going to enjoy it now. We'll see you next time.